Yun lang pala yun?
Yun na yun.
Akala ko kasi like parang so kilig. Kasi...
It's amazing!
Okay, I have something for you. Look at this.
No
I
way!
know, right? Yes, way.
If there's one
Kasama niyo to!
Sabi ko sa'yo, baka maiyak.
Oh, wait. Dito na lang. Altan mo, no?
so happy. Hi everyone! So I'm here now with Rica.
Hi!
And we organized her kitchen today.
Yay! Grabe! So, ito talaga yung parang kailangan na kailangan ng plate.
How does it feel like now, Rica? Seeing your pantry.
I'm so kilig. Well, it started with having a family, a growing family na parang, ay, wala ka lang choice. Kailangan mo na magluto, kailangan mo na isipin yung kinakain nyo. Then secondly, yung pandemic, di ba, ang dami naging baker, nagluto, ganyan. And when we got stuck in the US, I started cooking more and baking. So sabi ko, naisip ko talaga, pag uwi ko, kailangan maayos ko yung kitchen kasi the only thing that's stopping me from making good food is an organized kitchen. Kasi talagang yun yung kailangan, parang dun ko lang na-realize. I started searching pa sa YouTube, ano ba yung mga magagandang parang ayos ng kitchen. So to see this now is like, wow, finally, ito na yung hinihintay ko kasi lahat talaga kaya mong abutin. It has to be logical. Like where is it placed? Parang hindi, siguro kung dati nyo ako kausap, sabihin ko, ay, kung saan nyo lang ilagay. Now, that it's this organized, like this one, I was telling the angels kanina, pag kumukuha ako ng, flour dati, naipit ko na for sure yung kamay ko. Naipit ko na dyan, yung parang, ay, as in like naririnig ako ng mga anak ko, what happened, mama? Wala, naipit ko na naman yung daliri ko dahil napakapangit nung, akala ko wala na akong space.
Yes.
Hindi pala. It's just a matter of putting it in the right places. So, I've learned this from you. The whole system of having labels. Kasi then, ang gumagamit nito would be me, my husband, and our helper. Wala. Lessened na yung tanong-tanong sa inyo na parang I just know where to go because it has a place for that.
Correct.
No?
You can point them to the right direction. And you
Exactly.
mentioned about how, the system and the layout in the kitchen. I just want to point out this area right here that almost like a dead space because it was a mishmash of things.
Right.
But I saw that you have a lot of placemats.
Right.
And this is actually the easiest area where you can get it so that it's easy for you to set your table, diba?
Exactly. Well, I like everything.
Plus, it's near now where your everyday items are, diba?
Right.
So,
So,
I was able to rehome then some of your mga utensils here, which is near your everyday plates.
actually, okay. Okay talaga yun. Sobrang laki niyang tulong.
Actually, we didn't use a lot of mga organizational bins kasi you have na eh.
Yes.
Diba? You have that.
Oo.
It's really just we need to maximize the airspace, in the cabin.
Yeah.
And I noticed that you love coffee. So, I created a
I
mini
know.
coffee station right here.
Ang puso ko.
Just so it's within reach.
Okay. Kinuwento ko rin to
Okay.
sa mga angels mo na tuwing meron kaming guests, di ba syempre after nila kumain ng maraming pagkain, panghimagas naman, ganyan. Tapos usually, pagkatapos ng tea, ayoko mag-offer ng tea ever because it's so hard to get it from that cabinet.
Okay. Yeah,
like it's
yeah.
there in the back, ganyan. Because I'm not a tea person. But then when you have guests, di ba parang it's always nice to have like
Options.
tea and coffee options. But to have it here, it's like such a big help. Alam mo yun, na yung isang ganyan mo lang.
It's just within reach. And then you requested that you want this clear. So,
Yes.
kung ganun dumating ako, hindi ako satisfied.
Syempre, my gosh. Ano to? Alam niyo naman ang kitchen counter, patungan. Char.
No, I mean, hindi ako satisfied with the work of,
Nila. Okay, akala ko yung akin kasi.
So I had to change it.
Yeah,
so,
I know.
Kasi that's what I promised you. Like, you need to have a counter where you can bake, you can work, you know.
Yes.
Everything that you need. So, clear na yan. So, nandito yung some of your breakfast items and additional surprise. That's clear also.
I know. Ano ito na-clear? Teka muna, ano naalis?
Ito.
Oo, pero
Kasi
Yun na
kasya
yun,
siya.
no?
Yun na yun.
grabe yung visual. Kasi alam mo
Kaya,
yun.
kasi ang layo na naman ng travel papunta dun.
Exactly.
So, at least
Actually,
dapat-
this is really the most logical.
Mm-mm.
But then when this came, it also kind of felt awkward to put it here. Kaya ako hilong-hilo, sabi ko, paano bang gagawin ko? But it actually looks nice.
Yeah. Now, you really have to attend to how things will flow in the kitchen or how things will
Oo.
Yeah,
Tama
makes
ka eh.
sense.
May workflow.
Yes.
Ganun siya. Parang, di ba like anything else, na any trabaho,
Mhm.
pinag-uusapan nyo, na, okay, pakikunan niyo yung reaction ng asawa.
Talaga kasama. No. It's okay. It's amazing!
Okay, I have something for you. Look at this.
What?
Look at this. Later na yan. Tada! Baka maiyak ako. I know, right?
That's the best!
Sige, baka maiyak ako. Kasi
And that one
he
too,
is
yung
the
pangluto,
one.
here.
Yeah, he is the one talaga who cooks more.
Ayan.
So
love
like
this, I love
spices
this.
are like his things. And then here pa, Lovey, excuse me lang,
Yeah,
oh.
yeah.
Yung mga...
No way!
I know, right? Yes,
Chinese.
way. So everything is within reach.
You know what I like? Parang, kasi the way we had it before was, may mga parts na sobrang sikip. Tapos may mga parts na cool.
Sobrang luwag.
Di na, di naman
Yes.
maximize. So parang ito, sakto lang. Alam mo yun, nothing feels overflowing. Part of my thoughts nga is like, where did she put everything? Kasi like, why is this so free? And this one is not overflowing either. So where did everything go?
That's your pangluto
That's
na.
so much better.
This is amazing.
Oh my God.
Because like our pots and pans were there.
Yes.
And so I have to cross all the time and before,
Yes.
ayan na, tingnan mo.
Oh, yan
May
yung- ganun
traffic,
yung
may
nangyayari.
traffic, ganyan. Yung parang kami ni Rinelda, umalis ka nga dyan, Rinelda, sandali lang, I cannot create, ganyan.
Are you happy? Kinikilabutan ako.
Ay, nako.
Oh, this makes so much sense.
Sobra.
Yes.
Sobrang I feel like yung kitchen talaga parang mafe-feel mo yung bigat niya in the long run pag hindi talaga logical yung spacing.
Plus for me kasi, parang, I mean, if there's one area, are you happy?
Gusto ko magluto.
Sabi ko sa'yo, baka maiyak.
Oh, wait, dito na lang. I'll tell no.
So happy! I always make it a point na parang kahit magulo yung buong bahay, wag lang yung kitchen. Because, you know, ang germs, kaya mong hugasan yung kamay mo, kaya mong maligo. But the kitchen kasi, the food goes in your body.
I know.
So
I
if
know.
if the cleanliness is compromised and you know parang
I know.
parang you don't have a chance like to sanitize the area and
Right.
then papasok siya sa katawan mo, parang for me talaga kailangan clean as you
Yes.
go pagdating sa kitchen.
So, part talaga siya. I mean, like, you do it, what? 6 times a day? Like, and if you have kids, it's like all day. 24/7, may ninangat-ngat sila.
Correct.
Diba? So, it's the busiest part of the house and yet the most overlooked for us.
And it's the heart of the home.
Exactly.
Right? So yeah.
Like what you said, a kitchen, no matter how organized it is meant to be cluttered after a while.
Yes. Yes.
So, but I feel like putting a system saves you a lot of stress.
Yeah.
May stress kaya sa kitchen.
Correct, of course.
Meron.
But that's why nga, parang I didn't make it complicated for you as well. You know, parang trinay ko talagang gamitin whatever you have. My final question to you, Rica. So what is your favorite area now here in your kitchen?
Oh my gosh, ang hirap. Parang paboritong anak yung question. I still have to use it though.
Okay.
Kasi di ba ganun ang kitchen?
Mhm.
Na parang dun mo lang nare-realize yung worth and value niya pag ginagamit mo na. Pero yung hula ko lang, baka ito talaga. Kasi nga, all the rest, you have the time for. Kunwari, kukuha ka ng pinggan. Oras ka namang ganun eh. Pero pag nagluluto ka na, ay, nasaan na yung ano? Ay, naku, yung ganito, yung ganyan, di ba? Parang, pag iniisip mo pa kung nasan siya, that's an extra step into your cooking. And I feel like, kung alam ko lang, nagagantuhin ko to, gaganyanin ko lang, nandyan lang siya, malapit lang sa akin, Eh, ang laki na nung difference nun for
Kasi minsan nakakasulog din pag hahanapin mo pa.
Ayun.
I just wanna thank you again, Rica, for
Thank you!
trusting me.
Oh my gosh! I am so thrilled. I mean, I was just asking for your help. I was just text it to me. I'm like, I'm ready to do it by myself. Anyway, I'm in the organizing mode. Kanina nga medyo, sabi ko, totoo ba to? Wala akong ginagawa. Kasi yung mga angels yung nandun, ganyan. Kasi nga parang, I kind of want to do it also. But, grabe, when you said you can come, I was like, sige na nga, I'll take it na. kasi busy kasi eh. Busy. Minsan lang pwede. Kaya sabi ko, unin ko na yan.
Eh kasi naman, Rica, diba, nag-homeschool na rin. I mean, online learning.
I
So,
know.
tatlo yung estudyante ko.
Alam nyo guys, talaga, since everyone's investing in their homes, I really highly recommend neat obsessions. Either you let them go into your house or you buy the book. It's going to ano na yan eh, pang forever.
Gusto ko yun.
Totoo yan. Kasi like ako yung mga naman ako sa'yo, para sabi ko, alam ko na. Kaya ko na yan. Ganito lang yan. Kaya lahat ng mga basket ko ngayon, may size-size sa buhay.
I know.
Diba?
Yeah. So, thank you so much,
Thank you
Rica.
also.
Thank you.
you.
So, I hope you enjoyed this episode with Rica. Until the next time, stay neat, everyone. Bye.